Hello everyone, tie a high ponytail as such and then make a puffed up bun at the back, adjust it accordingly, tie it up in such a way that the hair at the back is not seen. Use multiple pins in order to fasten it in its place and roll it upwards as such. This is what the back should look like. Now taking the front portion of the hair, make it into multiple sections and make multiple braids out of this. First start off with 2 braids and then using the rest of the sections of it, make loops out of it. Pull a comb through it and then after making these loops, tie a rubber band at the base. Make the braids into circles as such and then fasten it in place using multiple clips. Adjust it using your fingers. Next, start off by taking the front section of the hair and tie a high ponytail out of it. Then take a small section from the front and then begin to braid it. And while you are braiding it, keep aside sections and then gather it on one side of it. Once again, begin to keep aside the sections and then have it at the front. Loosen the sections at the front as such. However, let the sections in the middle remain as close and compact as possible. Add a rubber band at the top. Once you have adjusted it, this is what it should look like. Make sure that it is very delicately placed. Leave out a section on the front of the hair and now taking a section from the back, make a small loop out of it. Use a comb in order to do so and then adjust the hair at different levels. Use your fingers to pull out sections of the hair. Make sure that they look separated as such. Then begin to arrange it in a semicircular shape and once you are done with each of them, add a clip to each of them so that they stay in their place. Then do this out of the multiple layers of the hair that are left out. Add them in layers. Now taking the front section of the hair, add them in curls at the back. Make it curve and wave into the back hairstyle. Take a section of the top of the hair at the front and then join it at the back. Then take 2 sections from either side of the scalp on either side, tie it up at the back. Divide the hair into 3 portions and bring it through the front, lift it up and set it aside. Bring 2 more sections from either side, join it at the back as such, and then pull the other front section through it. Continue to do this until you reach the top as such. Loosen the sides using your fingers. This is what it should look like. Next, take a section from the front of the hair and then begin to twist it while leaving aside parts of the hair as such. Do this until you reach the other side. It is a type of waterfall hairstyle. Now make another layer of this as well. Continue to do this. Once you are done with that layer, make another following that as well. Once again, add yet another layer to it until all of the sections have gone to the side as such. Now taking the sections from either side, join it at the top using this large rubber band, roll it up into a flower shape, add a decorative pin to the center. Tie a ponytail with the rest of the hair, adjust it accordingly. Next, take a section from the front of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Add this puffed up rubber band and then tie a thinner one to it. Wrap a section of the hair around the rubber band so that it is not seen. Now take another section of the hair and then make this petal-like shape out of it. Tie a rubber band at the base. Use some hairspray in order to set it in its place as such. Do the same at the back and then this is what it should look like. It should look like the shape of a flower. Add some setting spray in order to make it fall exactly how it is and not move in any other way. This is what the final look should look like. Thank you for watching.